This is a Pacific Sea Peach that my marine biology class dissected earlier today. This is Halocynthia aurantium, North Pacific species of tunicate, or sea squirt. And so we removed the leathery tunic, I should say. It's actually composed of cellulose in part, and some other proteins and polysaccharides. Really thick, leathery, hard to get through. Not an easy tunic to remove, but we made some ventral and dorsal cuts and then peeled back that leathery tunic and then revealed the body inside. You can see the two siphons, the in-current and ex-current siphon there. There you go, there's the siphon. And so this body really intact after removing the tunic, and then the students made a ventral cut, and you can see as I unfold it here, they cut down the ventral side, which is the opposing side from the ex-current siphon. And some wonderful internal anatomy here, including the stomach, really significant stomach, very posterior organ. You can see also if we open this up a bit more, the pharyngeal pouch, which is quite prominent, connected to the in-current siphon. Actually, I take that back. That was digestive. There. Here's the pharyngeal pouch. You can see those stigmata. You can see those folds in it and the digestive tubes leading down to the stomach. Here's some gonad tissue. These are hermaphrodites. And so they're oriented correctly again. So pharyngeal pouch. This is digestive system right here. So food comes in, the in-current siphon, gets strained out through the pouch, continues on down into the stomach. There are mucous membranes in the pharyngeal pouch. That's gravity fed. The food particles stick to it. It moves down into the stomach. Digestion begins, and then the wastes come up and out the digestive system, and the anus ends up here on its way out of the ex-current siphon. The neural ganglia, we weren't able to find those, but they're typically up here in the anterior portion of the creature, between the two siphons. All right. There you go. That is the sea squirt or tunicate, the sea peach, Pacific Sea Peach. They are edible. It's often sold in Asian fish markets, and can't wait to try one myself. Hope you enjoyed the show.